Has your Facebook ad account been restricted? Here is what it means, and this is what you can do. Facebook ad account restriction basically means your ad account has been restricted from advertising. This means that all the ads that you were running before have stopped, and you cannot create other ads until you correct the issue. So why does the Facebook ad account restriction occur? It happens due to many reasons. One of them could be violation of the policies and standards of Meta on Facebook and Instagram. It could also be a payment issue where you have not cleared a certain balance with Facebook. It could also be a setup issue. Maybe the system wants you to complete a certain setup, like enabling the two-factor authentication. It could also be a security concern where you need to verify your identification. So whatever the issue is, what you need to do is go to the account quality section in the Meta Ads Manager. Check why your account was restricted. They are always going to give you a reason why you can't advertise. Now, the restriction can be temporary or it can be permanent depending on the situation. For temporary restrictions, there's always a way out, because all you need to do is request a review and you'll have your account back and continue advertising. But for the permanent restriction, sometimes there is nothing much you can do. So if you say you've been permanently restricted from advertising, you may need to create another ad account. Besides the ad account restriction, other assets in Meta that can be restricted and you could be limited from advertising is your personal profile. Your personal profile can be restricted from advertising. Your business page can also be restricted. Your business manager could also be restricted. So it's good just for you to just go to the account overview, see why your account was restricted, and follow through the process, and you'll have your account back. But for permanent restriction, you might need to create other assets, like you need to create a new ad account. If you love the content that I create here, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll also leave a link to our social media marketing training in the description box below. So if you're struggling with marketing your business on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google, you can check out on the description box below and see what we cover, and you can always reach out to us.